To manage Bill.com API webhooks. Start by understanding what webhooks are and how they work. Webhooks are essentially callbacks that are triggered by specific events, such as when a new bill is created or a payment is made. First, you need to set up a webhook listener, which is an endpoint that can receive and process webhook notifications. This listener should be able to handle HTTP post requests and parse JSON data. Next, go to the Bill.com developer portal and create a new webhook subscription. You will need to specify the events you want to listen for, such as bill creation or payment processing, and provide the URL of your webhook listener. Once your webhook subscription is created, Bill.com will start sending notifications to your listener whenever the specified events occur. Your listener should be able to parse these notifications and take the necessary actions, such as updating your database or triggering additional workflows. It is essential to handle errors and exceptions properly, such as network errors or invalid data, to ensure that your webhook listener remains reliable and efficient. Best practices for managing Bill.com API webhooks include verifying the authenticity of incoming notifications, handling duplicate notifications, and monitoring your webhook listener for any issues or errors. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively manage Bill.com API webhooks and integrate Bill.com with your other systems and workflows. This will enable you to automate tasks, improve efficiency, and reduce manual errors. Key concepts to keep in mind include understanding the different types of events that can trigger webhooks, such as bill creation or payment processing, and knowing how to parse and process webhook notifications. In conclusion, managing Bill.com API webhooks requires setting up a webhook listener, creating a webhook subscription, handling notifications and errors, and following best practices for reliability and efficiency. By doing so, you can unlock the full potential of Bill.com and streamline your financial workflows.